The Schultz Pretreatmaker 5 is an automated pretreat machine, sporting a spray area just over 16 by 23 inches, as well as 5 spray nozzles. It has a touchscreen control panel that allows you to manipulate the spray pattern, and SmartSpray technology allows you to adjust spray volume by grams. It is equipped with 6 customizable presets to speed up your workflow, and a multicolor status light. The Pretreatmaker 5 carries 2 pretreat tanks and 1 water tank. Each tank rests on an electronic scale, and the control panel will prompt you when a tank is low on fluid. The waste tank has a similar sensor. The intuitive maintenance menu contains visually guided instructions. And to further improve workflow, the Pretreatmaker 5 can be equipped with an optional barcode scanner.